What's up, guys? I'm going to do an unwrapping / unboxing video of something that I just got in the mail today. I mean, I'm sure the title will say what it is, and it's the Ice Silver Ps Vita 1000. I just acquired it yesterday in the mail. I ordered it on eBay like 3 days ago, and I've just been anticipating it like crazy. Like, it's getting my dopamine level just rushed every time I look on the eBay app and looking on the tracking. And well, it came yesterday, brand new, never used. It said on there that, you know, they just used it for display in Japan. So I'm really excited to open this up and show you guys what I have. So just stay tuned, and I'll do a unwrapping and unboxing video of the PS Vita 1000, a Japanese exclusive / I think Asian. So yeah. So now let me open it. Now, you may be saying, oh, why are you getting a PS Vita 1000 in 2018? Well, what I like to say is to myself, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go get a knife. I'll be right back. Okay, I already cut it. So, as I was saying, why get a PS Vita 1000 or even a 2000 or a Vita in general in the year that there are systems that are better than this? Well, the Switch is great. Like I said, I had a video on the Switch, me talking about it, but it's just, I've had a Vita. I had one last year, but it was hacked. But I had PSPs that were hacked, and I just recently found out how to unlock the potential of this like 2 months ago. And I've just been loving it because, like, I have this one now. This one's garbage though. I'm gonna just sell it because it's so scratched. And then I have my main Vita, which is this bad boy. But I don't know, I really do like the Vita. Now let's get back to the unboxing. So this is new. So you and I are going to see it open up the first time. Little tear right there, but that's okay. You know, I'm not hurt about that. It's old. You know, it came out I think in 2012 or something, this special edition. Now this is the game. Yes. Fantasy Star Online. Okay. I mean, I don't know if people are still playing this online since it's an MMORPG, but I'll check it out. I'm getting my internet fixed today as well, so maybe I will be able to play it online. This is a moment that I've been waiting for a while, since I had to save up and get this. It took a while because I'm a damn adult and I got bills and stuff. Oh. I don't speak in the Japanese, so I don't know what this is, but this is my first brand new Vita. Oh my god. This thing looks beautiful. Not one scratch. Oh, I'm so used to getting secondhand Vitas. So this is the PS Vita 1000 Ice Silver. It looks great. Now let me turn it on. Oh, I'm surprised it turns on, honestly. Oh, there you go. Now you can see the silver a lot more better. Now let me just do the setup guide and then I'll be right back. So I'm back. Everything's set up. And to be honest, I really want to see what firmware it's on. Maybe I can unlock the potential. Let's see. Man, the screen even feels weird because there's like no oil. I'm gonna check the firmware real quick. 3.68. That's odd, but okay. It's okay. But yeah, it feels good. It feels really good. I'm definitely not going to play it until I get the screen protector and the rear protector over here as well, just so I won't scratch it. But hoopla, brand new. Never had a brand new Vita. Like I said, since I'm always getting second-hand Vitas. But this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Because I know I'm really excited. And this is now a part of my collection, as this one is. So like, subscribe, comment, etc. Need help with something? I don't know. Just comment. Maybe I can answer your question. Have a good one, y'all. Peace.